So we are putting together the back differential. We have never had to vlog. Well, we have for a little bit, but we don't have any other different GoPro or other different phones, so we just have to use...
Well, tell everybody what you're doing.
Putting together the back differential.
And what are you doing now? What's it for?
It's for the housing.
Well, no. What vehicle is it for?
The buggy.
What buggy?
This buggy.
And what is it?
A Tekno.
A Tekno what?
4-wheel drive.
Is it a EB48.4?
Yes. Wait, no, it's not. That's a truggy.
Well, what is it?
It's an e-buggy. Wait, where's the Tekno sticker? E-buggy 4-wheel drive, 8 scale version 4.
That's right. All right, we're going to get back to work getting this thing put back together. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Just a quick update. There's the buggy in progress. More updates soon as we get ready for a test drive.
And look at the back of it. It's just dangling. It's all crazy.
Is this all apart?
Yes. I gotta eat now. Bye.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye. And don't leave comments.